Well, hello and welcome back to Children's Reading Cove. Let's review everything you have learned in books 1 to 5. This is book 6. Let's get ready to read out loud. You go first and I will go second. If you're ready, put your device on mute and simply read out loud. At, bag, zap, pad, tag, hat, cap, wag, pan, mat, gap, add, bag, ran, pat, lap, bad, tan, rat, map, dad, can, van, sat, nap, mad, fan, Dan, bat, tap, fad, rag, Jan, cat, sag, man. Great work! That was a big review. When you are ready, move on to Storybook 6 to get even more practice under your belt. The story is called Map, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for reading along with me and practicing sounding out words. You are amazing, and we will see you back here on Children's Reading Cove oh so very soon. Bye-bye.